Good morning, student of class 12. Today we will discuss the second physical property of group 16. Clear? The second physical property is ionization enthalpy. What do you mean by ionization enthalpy? It is we can say the amount of energy required to remove an outermost electron to form an isolated gaseous atom. That is called ionization enthalpy. That means to say this is the structure of an atom. The energy required to take out this external, or we can say outermost valence shell electron, the amount of energy required to remove this electron, that is called ionization enthalpy. As the size increases, the distance between the valence electron and the nucleus increases, then this electron can easily remove, then the ionization enthalpy requires very less. As the size of the atom is much small, the distance between the outermost valence electron and the nucleus, so the electron will tightly held with the nucleus. Clear? So this electron requires a lot of energy to remove from this portion. Clear? So small size requires high amount of ionization enthalpy, and larger size of atom requires greater ionization enthalpy. Now, so I think so you must understand this one. Ionization enthalpy depends on the atomic radii. That means to say it is directly proportional to the atomic radii. As the ionization enthalpy increases, then atomic radii will decreases. As the ionization enthalpy decreases, then the atomic radii will increases. They are just inversely proportional to each other. Clear? Now we are talking about the 15 group to 16 group. In general, we are talking about the ionization enthalpy in general. The ionization enthalpy increases in period from left to right. Clear? Because size decreases because of increase in effective nuclear charge, or we can say nuclear charge. Now, this is the talk about the periods when we are moving from left to right. When we are moving from top to bottom in a group, what the general trends for the ionization enthalpy is, ionization enthalpy decreases in group from top to bottom because size of the atom increases because of introduction of a new principal cell. Clear? Now just focus for the 15 group to 16 group. When we are moving from 15 group to 16 group, according to the general trend of ionization enthalpy, the size is going to be decreases. When we are moving from 15 to 16 group, the size is going to be decreases from left to right. Clear? So the 16 requires ionization enthalpy and the 15 required ionization enthalpy. There is a difference for them. So this is the big size for 15 group in general form, and 16 group having smaller size as compared to the 15 group element. So the ionization enthalpy required by 15 group element and the ionization enthalpy required by the 16 group element, this will be the general trend. The size of the 16 group element is small, the size of the 15 group element is greater as compared to 16. So this required high ionization enthalpy as compared to the 15 group, and this required less ionization enthalpy as compared to the group 16 because of size is larger as compared to the 16 group. The size of the 15 group element is greater than the 16 group element. Now, but when we look on the electronic configuration of 15 group to 16 group, we are getting this one NS2 NP3. Clear? And in the case of 16 group, we are getting the electronic configuration at the last, that is NS2 NP4. Now we are filling the electrons in NS2. These two electrons are filled here. Now NP3, one electron in each subshells. Clear? In the case of this NP4, we are putting here 1, 2, 3, then 4. Pairing will be starting the first subshells of the p orbital. So this p is half filled condition. This is the half filled condition which is more stable, we know very well. In the 11th class we discussed about that. But in the case of NP4, this is less stable because of this is not the condition of full filled or not the condition of half filled. So electron will be moved from this portion very easily as compared to the 15 group, because this is more stable. We cannot unstable from the more stable condition, but we can convert a unstable condition to a stable condition in a very easy way. Clear? We cannot, and it requires a lot of energy to convert from more stable to unstable, because when we are moving one electron from this side, then this half field will convert into the NP2. But in the case of this one, NP4, when we are moving one electron from NP4, this will convert into the half field, which is very more stable condition. So in the case of 15 to 16, according to the electronic configuration, the Einstein enthalpy required by the 16th group element is very less as compared to the 15th group. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Thank you, class.